Kincaid here. I'm here today to share with you Future Craft's latest release called Mostly Magic, designed by Brandi Kincaid. The kit comes with the stamp set, the 3x4 cards, and the 4x6 cards. You can also add the additional mini Flair for just a few dollars. I love these Flair, and sadly they're only available for a few more months. So I am just buying all the Flair. So I had to at least add that to my order. Yeah, so this one is really, really, really fun. A bit of a Harry Potter-esque theme to it, which I am obsessed with. So I'm even considering doing a little teeny tiny album using Adeline's Harry Potter photos when she was just under a year old. I did monthly Harry Potter themed photos, so I'm considering, I already did a mini album for her, but I don't know, I need to think of a project. But Mostly Magic, this is a stamp set, lots of awesome sentiments, magic mostly. It can't all be magic. This life is magic, today was magic, you are made of magic. So burn bright, there's the candle, some matches, make light, moon, mushroom, dream on, in search of fairy godmother, abracadabra, and a wand. I'm just like, I can't get over how adorable this kit is. Okay, so that's the stamp set, and I vow this month that I will use the stamp set. I am the worst when it comes to stamping. Yeah, I just, awful. So as mentioned, these are the Flair. They do not come included with the kit, but you can add those on. Fun colors and pops of purple and yellow. I just am obsessed. So Bippity Boppity Boo, Rise from the Ashes, the Babe with the Power, There is Thunder in Our Hearts, Lightning Bolts, and beautiful florals as always. Brandi does the best florals. 3x4 cards. When I saw this kit, I was just blown away by her color scheme as always. I love bright, fun colors, and yeah. So these are cute little book suitcases with a quote, "Books are uniquely portable magic." And on the reverse of all the cards, there is a dot pattern. So I love that. Quote from Albus Dumbledore, "Words are, in my not so humble opinion, our most inexhaustible source of magic." Quote from Yeats, "The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper." Adorable little houses. So we're going on a trip. Well, by the time you see this, we will be on our trip, and we're going to this place called the Enchanted Forest, and they have adorable little houses, and I cannot wait to use this card. Floral, beautiful. Love the purple. Lightning bolts, got upside down here for some reason. Lightning bolts. Breathing, dreams like air. This is so beautiful. And this reminded me of snowflakes, and I don't know, it's probably not supposed to look like snowflakes, I don't know. But like this in a December daily album, I'm so excited to use that. There is no one here to rescue with the castle, again, cannot wait to use that for Enchanted Forest photos. Love this frame. I cannot wait to print a little mini photo or add some stamping or journaling or something in that white space. Bippity Boppity Boo, and this fern pattern is just beautiful. Again, a Flair like this one. Oh my gosh, there's thunder in her head. Cannot wait. And the 4x6s, I just loved this month also. Kind of like a little sequin pattern. The postcard, I'm going to print like 1,000 of these and just send them to random people. A quote from Albert Einstein, "There are only two ways." Oh, and there was a misprint on this. So your kit will probably be proper, I would think. But you get the digitals in the, when you purchase, you get the digitals, so it's fixed in the digitals. It should read, there are only two ways to live your life, so we gotta get rid of that one. One is as though nothing is a miracle, and one as though everything is a miracle. Magic. The butterflies. What is life without a little risk? And last time we went on our little trip to British Columbia or BC, we went ziplining. I'm wondering if we're going to do that again. Because if we go ziplining, this is going to happen next to a photo of that. So that is the kit. I want to just show you really quickly the digitals that come with, because it adds such value to your kit purchase. So when you purchase the kit, Elise will email you a downloadable file which includes all the cards, so you can print these as many times as you like. So I have just printed mine at Staples on 100-pound cardstock. And you also get another digital file which includes some bonus cards and embellishments. So 4 3x4 cards here, and labels, which I was so excited about. I printed like 1,000 of these, and the circles also are really cute. And then these foldable little embellishments. I don't know what you call these. And another goal of mine this month is to use these. And then you get a whole sheet of die cuts, which, can you believe how gorgeous these are? I printed this as full size. I'm thinking that I might trim these down to like 4x6s and 3x4s, because these could really make fun cards as well, just to pop into a pocket. Yeah, like I just love these. This is my favorite, the little stamp, and all of her writing, all of her script. I just am obsessed with as well. So you can fussy cut these yourself, or you can plug them into your Silhouette Cameo or Silhouette software. I cut some, and I love Diane from Dearly D, because she gave me a tip this month, because I did a little tutorial for Brandi's last kit, and I'm not an expert with the Silhouette by any means, so I was just kind of doing a quick tutorial on how I know how to do it. But Diane stepped up and she said that you can use a feature called offset, which I didn't even know existed, to create a white border around your die cut piece or your little image. So I love the way that these turned out, especially the scripts, because those ones were tricky for me last month. So I'm loving those. And I did offset for the labels also. Wish I kind of made this offset a little bit smaller, but it's not a big deal. I still love it. And then the circles. So loving this kit. If you are interested in purchasing, it is available today, August 15th. I will leave a link in the description box below. Any purchase that you make through that link, I get a small commission, which I appreciate. And yeah, check it out, Feed Your Craft. Check out all the extras, the Flair, and there's alphas in the shop, and tags, and guest checks, and book label. There's all kinds of good stuff in there. So check it out. Happy shopping, and stay tuned to my Instagram to see what I create this month. Thanks so much. Bye.